Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe and watch the video till the end. Let's start. Open Canva. Select thumbnail design. Click element on left bar. Search trade background. Click see all. Scroll down. Choose. Right click. Search chart. Click on photos. Select one. Right click. Replace background. Search trade. Choose from photo. Select. Drag to full screen. Go to transparency on top. Decrease transparency. Search man counting money from element. Click on photos. Scroll down. Choose. Search coin bag. See all. Scroll down. Select. Go to text. Select heading. Write text. Select text and go to text color. Choose white. Choose font style. Zing Rust Base Rough. Drag to big. Select text, click on icon to rotate. Duplicate text. Write text. Duplicate text. Adjust element and text. Go to effect. Choose background. Choose color. Decrease roundness. Decrease spread area. Select text. Change color. Search Bitcoin from element. Click on photo. Select image. Click on BG remover on top. Duplicate it 4 times. And adjust of your choice. Cancel photo. Go to graphics. Scroll down. Choose of your choice. And adjust of your choice. Like, subscribe and follow this channel to learn something new. Go to share. Download. In PNG format.